Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about WebinarFuel, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you link or connect your Mailchimp account to WebinarFuel? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Mailchimp to WebinarFuel anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing webinars, you know that keeping in touch with your attendees can increase conversions. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your WebinarFuel dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my WebinarFuel, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link or connect your Mailchimp account to WebinarFuel, here on the top, you're going to click on settings. It looks like a gear icon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this other menu in light gray here at the top, and you're going to click on integrations. Okay, once you do that, you're going to scroll down until you see the Mailchimp logo right here in yellow. And then off to the right, you're going to click on this blue connect button. Okay, next Mailchimp's going to open up a browser, and you want to log in with your Mailchimp username and password. So I'm going to enter this in off screen. Okay, so once you've done that, go ahead and click on login. Okay, once you do that, Mailchimp's going to warn you that you're about to share this information with WebinarFuel. If you're okay with that, go ahead and click on allow. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see my Mailchimp is now linked to my WebinarFuel account, so I can use my Mailchimp account when I'm setting up various automations in WebinarFuel. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Mailchimp account to your WebinarFuel account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.